We are live! Folks, body coding live. No photo every day. Are you excited? I'm excited for the new combo. Cross complicado 1 and top 1. You ready? Remember, like every episode, you see, we do no excuses. You ready? Let's go first. I show you, then we do it together. Let's go. Yes, let's do it together. Let's go. Are you excited? No excuses. Let's go. Practicing wherever we are. Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We open to the left. We cross. We step on the left. And then tap. Step to the back. Tap. Step to the back. Now the same with the right. Open to the side. Cross. And step. Switching the weight. Tap. Step. Tap. Step. Again, open, cross, step, tap, step, tap, step. Once again, open, cross, step, switching the weight. Yeah, tap, step, tap, step. Once again, open, cross, step, tap, step, tap, step. With the right, open, cross, step, tap, step, tap, step. Now with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah! You know what? You're still here. Let's do another practice right now. Face to face. I want to see you. You ready? Let's go. Practicing face to face. The new move. You ready? Starting with the left again. Let's go. We open. We cross the front. Cross to the back, tap, step, tap, step. The same with the right. We open, we cross, tap, step, tap, step to the back. Once again, open, cross to the front, cross to the back, tap, step, with the right. Open. Cross, tap, step, step. Now with a count, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's add something a little bit different today. Let's add a little bit head isolation with it. Let's see how it works together. Let's go. Once I do the open, I will go with my head. Yeah? Go. 1. Yeah. Very small, very subtle. Let's try. Good. I go to the other side and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. On 8 I go here. Then I emphasize 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's the twist for the day. That's the twist for the day. And by the way, you can learn to do this movement also in the channel. Wait, what channel? If you are on Instagram and you're not on YouTube, you can check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and check for the head isolation side to side, sliding side to side, and of course the tutorials for the movement for the steps we did today. Yes, cross complicado 1 or cross C1 and tap 1. Today we did a combo. Yeah, and here I remind you again and again, and once again I remind you, these are universal moves, meaning you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, hip hop, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, semba, and much more. Yes, I'm serious. So make sure to practice today within any kind of dance that you want. Master this move today. But Marcus, why today? Well, you know, because tomorrow we have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Bodycoding Live. Yeah, that's the reason to practice today. You want to be ready for tomorrow's footwork. So I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow with a new footwork. Yet again. Have an amazing day.